Hey you guys, it's me Bethany, and today I'm going to be doing a farm tour. I know you guys wanted me to do one, so that's why I'm going to be uploading one today. It is sundown, so I gotta get this done in the next 25-ish minutes, and yeah, let's get started. So first, I'm going to be showing you the buildings because I want to show you the animals last. So let's go show you the buildings. So this is the first building you see when you come to our property. In our driveway, that's a driveway, and that's a driveway. So you come in through there, and the first building you see is the front of the barn. And if you come down this way, you'll see this side of the barn where our goats sleep down there and live there at night, and then come over here during the day right next to the chickens. And if you drive down this lane, you'll see this side of the barn. And down here, my mom milks the goats in the morning and the evening. So this is where they're milked and fed their grain in the morning and the evening. And this is the back of the barn. Right there is the milking parlor. Right there is just a little room. Right there is where the goats enter in the morning to go. My mom goes and gets them in the morning from there, and then they go to bed there. This is the milking parlor. Right here's the feed. There's another bucket of feed. That's a feed bin, and over there's a feed bin. This is Moochie. Say hi. And this is Matilda. Say hi, baby. You're on camera. And this is the milking goat. She gets milked on this milking stand, and basically she eats while she gets milked. Say hi, Morel. And she is the mom of these beautiful two goats. And she just had a son named Arnold. But basically, there's a little latch, and we just put their head in. We make sure they have some space. And she eats some grain, some mixtures of grain, while we milk her. That is the milking parlor. And this is the room where they stay. They go to sleep here and everything. So they have hay, and they have a light that connects. Some more hay, mostly just hay in here. And then this is where Arnold stays. This is Arnold. He's the newest baby out of all Morel's children. Kids is what baby goats are called. So he's the newest kid, and he's a few months old. He's very energetic, and he's very cute. So this is where we hang up their leashes. We feed them their water and everything. And this is where they stay at night. So, and that's where she gives birth when she has her kids. So that is where they sleep. Sorry if you can hear my goats, but as you come down this lane, you'll see the old meat chicken pen, and you will also see this building that was deteriorating. So my dad tore it down. It used to keep cows in it. That's why there's a feeding trough right there. They put hay and stuff in it right there, and another trough. And we keep our old hoses and some tools in here. And then on the other side of it is where our garlic. This is our garlic. This is a hose we use. It's one of the feeders for the chickens, meat chickens. More garlic, strawberries. I don't know how they're doing. More garlic, weeds, I think. And so this is like strawberry and garlic area. And this is the mountain I promised I would show you. It wraps the whole way around. It's a beautiful mountain. And then either way you come, you'll see our old turkey and bunny house. We kept the bunnies on this side and the turkeys on that side. And this is where I found a stray kitten. So I always like peek in there just in case I see one. So this is what you see on either side coming down. And then on either side that you come down, you'll see all of these. You'll see like a wood chip pile, which we're trying to turn into compost. And then, or not compost, like, like what is it called? Like something to put over the plants that we make. Anyways, you'll see all these big logs, and then you'll see this big area. We use it for our bikes and feed. And over on that side is where we keep our bunnies. We keep our feed here, and we keep on the other side of the building. We keep chicks here, and then we keep bikes and bunnies on the other side. So right here is where we keep our chicks. This is our feed room.